Hi, I'm Kevin Wilson, Master Locksmith. Today we're at the Gwinnett County Fall Festival in Gwinnett County, Georgia. We're showing people products, how they can reinforce their doors against home invasion kick-ins. And we're educating the public how that your doors are not safe unless you reinforce them with steel, both around the door and around the frame on every door. We have a number of different products, including night locks, door guardians, reinforcing plates, from 18 inches to 60 inches, and we have all the products that it takes to reinforce your doors against home invasion kick-ins. So if you have any questions, call Kevin Wilson, Master Locksmith.